In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Google Calendar to Otter.ai. This feature is incredibly useful for anyone looking to streamline their workflow by syncing their schedule with Otter's transcription services. So grab a cup of coffee and let's get started. First, you'll want to sign in to Otter.ai. Head over to their website and log in with your account details. Now, it's crucial to ensure that you're using the correct account, the one you intend to link your calendar with. This step lays the foundation for a smooth integration, avoiding any confusion later on. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen. There, you'll see your profile picture. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Settings. This is where we will make all the necessary adjustments for your calendar. Look for the section labeled Calendar and Contacts, or simply Calendar, depending on how your interface is set up. Now it's time to connect Google Calendar. In the Calendar section, click on the Connect Calendar button. When prompted, choose Google as the type of calendar you wish to link. To proceed, you'll need to sign in with the relevant Google account. Rest assured, Otter.ai requests access merely to read and synchronize your schedule. Granting these permissions is key to unlocking the full potential of this integration. Once you've signed into your Google account, Otter.ai may ask which specific calendars you wish to share. This allows you to manage what's visible and accessible, tailoring the connection to suit your needs. Select your primary work or personal calendar, or any other calendar you want Otter to be able to read from. This step is particularly important if you manage multiple calendars, as it provides a finer control. After you've made your selections, you'll likely see a confirmation option, typically labeled Save or Done. Click on this, and you've successfully linked your Google Calendar to Otter.ai. If you've enabled live meeting transcription, Otter can now automatically join your scheduled meetings to transcribe them as they happen. And just like that, you've completed the setup. With this connection, Otter.ai will automatically update and sync with your calendar, ensuring you never miss a meeting transcription. It's a fantastic way to maintain a seamless workflow, making sure your schedule and transcription needs are fully aligned. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tips and guides. Until next time, happy organizing. Peace.